Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to create multi-step form in Avada form builder in WordPress. So you can create two-step form, three-step form according to your requirement. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using Avada theme. On left side you see Avada and then you see form. So click on it. So we are going to create multi-step form. So we are in form builder and then you see form name. So you can add form name and then click on create new form. So we added name and then you see create new form button. So click on it. So we are in edit form and then you see backend builder. So click on it. Now you see Avada builder and then you see container. So again click on it. So first we are going to add first step. Now you see special and then you see special item and then you see form step. So click on it. Now you see form step edit. Now you see pencil icon edit. So click on it. So we are going to add title name. So we edit title name, personal information and then click on save. If you want you can add some icon. So click on save and then you see plus icon, insert container. So click on it. So you can add layout according to requirement for first step. So we are going to add two column layout. Now edit. So we are going to add two field. So you can add any field or multiple field in first step. Text field, make it name and then click on save. Now we are going to add email field. So you can add field according to requirement. So in first step we added two field. So you can add any field in form step, personal information. So you can create container, anything. And then we are going to add form step again, but first we are going to update it and then we are going to add form step again. Now you see post updated and then we are going to add submit button, container. Now write submit button. Now button added and then change text next and then click on save. Now you see when user fill this form and then click on next. Then we are going to add form step, container. Now you see special, form step. Now you see edit. If you want you can add some name. So we added name, project information and then click on save. Again you see container, so click on it. So we are going to add field, text area. So you can add any field according to requirement. So this is our two-step layout. If you want you can add or create 3-step, 4-step. So you can add just form step again and then add submit button and then change submit button text to next. Now edit. Now we are going to add submit button. Submit and then click on save. So form is created and then you see journal. You see appearance. So you can do form styling according to requirement. Now you see label position, font size, placeholder, field margin, field height and then you see submission, Ajax. Now you see action. If you want you can save information to database. So it's up to you. Now you see notification. Add notification. So you can add notification name. So we added admin notification. So you can add your email address. CC email if you want you can add. So you can add email subject. Reply to email. If you want you can upload some file. So you can do setting according to requirement. Now you see confirmation message, display message. So we are going to add some message, notice. Now you see success message, we added. So when user submit the form, then see notice. And then you see step progress, timeline progress bar. So you can add any option. You see timeline or progress bar. Now you see step type above, below, margin, progress, percentage, text line, font family, progress bar typography, title color, progress bar field color, progress bar strip filing, progress bar animation stripe. So you can set height. So you can set progress bar height. So you can do setting according to requirement. Now you see progress bar field color. So this is progress bar unfilled color, progress bar radius, field border size, percentage. So you can do setting according to requirement, privacy and then click on update. Now form updated done, go to page. So we are going to add form. Avada form builder, multi-step form, save and then click on update. Now page updated, go to form page and refresh the page. So this is the form layout. Now you see 50%. Now add some text and then click on next. Now you see message and then click on submit. Now you see progress bar. Back to form. Now you see step progress. Now make it timeline. Now you see step background color, border width, space around, icon number and then click on update. So you can do setting according to requirement. Now post updated, go to form page again and refresh the page. Now you see personal information, project information. Next. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.